Good evening, friends. This is trade wrap for 14th of January 2021. Now, today has been a great trading day, both for myself and for our clients, particularly the platinum member clients. And before we get on with what we did and how we saw the market, let me thank everybody who's joined the platinum membership. Great response. Lots of members from other services have upgraded, and it's great to see in this time of deceit, front running, and all kinds of illegal activity which is going on around us, for people to make money. We do our BTSTs for the client's benefit, not for our own benefit. So without further ado, let me ask all of you, to explore our platinum services. We've seen what free advice is worth, given what the channels are dishing you. So I think platinum membership, you sit with me 6.5 hours. I take the same trades, I get the same result, and that's the way it should be. If you don't make money, I don't make money. There are also, we have diamond, uh, gold, silver, copper memberships, all with different sorts of perks. We also have, our webinar recorded training, which is available for 2000 plus GST. If you want to engage with us, without any payment, tomorrow 8 p.m. I'll be doing Facebook Live. Sunday 5 p.m. I'll be doing YouTube Live. You can join us on Ashwini Gujral followers and Ashwini Gujral, um, business page. For any questions, WhatsApp 98710 email ashwani_gujral@yahoo.com. That is ASHWANI_GUJRAL@yahoo.com. Okay. Now, like every day, we start with the S&P 500. This is the 5-minute chart. The markets opened and slowly, S&P 500 is pushing on the upside. Like yesterday, I had said that S&P 500 is kind of moving sideways and it will finally break out on the upside. Very similar action we saw on the Nifty also. FII is, 1,000 crores, not too much, but maybe they will pick up. So on the Nifty, let me tell you what we did today. So as the market opened, the view was we will be in a sideways range of 14,450 to 14,650. And right after the open, we had these big bars and we went short somewhere here. Now, as the market started to turn, we started to make this sort of W pattern. So quickly we reversed, we made some money on, small money on the Nifty short. We went on the long side and this turned out to be a good trade for us. We also took some short positions early in the day on stock futures. I think we went short on, uh, I think TCS and Kotak, both of which we squared off with some minor losses. Now the highlight of the day was what happened post 1:30. We gave a TCS BTST on the upside based on this kind of daily pattern, very strong trend, a couple of pause type days, and now you had TCS was up at that time about 1.5%. So definitely this looked like a fresh rally has started. So somewhere here, when this was flat, this was where TCS is given, and in 4 bars, I think our BTST target got done. Again, very similar pattern on Lupin. Lupin, strong trend, couple of sideways days, and Lupin again broke out. So again, even on Lupin, we gave the call somewhere here, and all of a sudden, we got this large upside 4 bars. So we didn't carry BTST, and we booked our profits on the same day. That's how BTST should be. You need to give the call here so that the client enjoys this part. Unlike what we've been seeing, happening around the place where people give you BTST here and they themselves pocket this part. That is crookery of the first order. So great day, great testimonials. All of them are getting put up on our Facebook page. So it's wonderful to make money together and to get so much love and appreciation from clients. So every day 8:50 to 9 we start the YouTube live, and more than 250 traders join us. So that is a kind of trading army I am building, and in 1 year, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if we have maybe 5,000 traders trading with us. So come join us. This is the honest to God service you need. Like, share, subscribe, and you know, learn about calls plus trade management plus psychology. Because what you get, all this hoopla on channels, are fake calls, overhype, and finally you are on the losing side. So if you want to avoid this, you need to join the genuine advisors. These are all, fraudia advisors where anchors are becoming analysts and they are doing advisory, which is illegal. So the advice is that take authorized advice from a SEBI registered fund manager of 25 years experience. That should be all. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.